One day, a very windy day, there was a knock at Angelmouse's door. Huh? Huh. Hello?
Oh, my thingamajig! Come back! It's too windy, shut the door!
Oh, look, it's a message from you-know-who.
Well, read it.
He says, there's trouble on Cloud 9, go there at once.
Oh, do I have to?
Yeah, well, of course you do.
But I don't want to lose my thingamajig in that wind. Oh, I know. There.
In the village, the wind was even stronger.
No! No! Oh!
Well, of course. Newspaper blew right out of my hands. Oh, my hat! Quick, catch that as well, can you?
Sorry, not now. Emergency on Cloud 9. Oh, thanks for the lift, Quilly.
Watch out! Oh, careful!
Can you be careful with your really, Mum, Ellie, Mum?
Oh, no, please get it back for me.
I can't. There's trouble on Cloud 9. Come on, Quilly.
No brakes, no brakes.
Don't tell me you lost something too, Oswald.
Yes. Blown away.
Well, I can't help. There's trouble on Cloud 9.
Oh, wait for me. Angelmouse always gets lost when he tries to find Cloud 9 without me.
Where's Cloud 9?
Me? Well, should be next to Cloud 8.
Help!
Listen, someone's calling for help.
Help! Over there. There's Cloud 9.
And that's who needs help. It's Little Petal.
What are you doing here? Oswald asked me to hold his kite, but then the wind blew me all the way here. And all these other things too.
Oh, that's the trouble on Cloud 9.
It's an awful lot for one little mouse to carry.
Well, maybe we can move one thing at a time.
Well, that would take hours. What if Quilly takes the hat, Angelmouse takes the kite, and I take the roller? Help!
Angelmouse, do something! Catch Little Petal!
Help!
Little Petal was falling fast, and she was heading straight for the village pond.
Oh! Got you! Oh, thank you, Angelmouse.
Well done, Angelmouse. Got there just in the nick of time, what? Really was trouble on Cloud 9.
I'm sorry I lost your kite, Oswald.
Never mind.
I say, duck.
Yes, that's me.
No, duck.
Ow! Oh, my kite.
Yeah, and my hat. Did you find my umbrella, too?
Oh, wait a minute. Got it.
Oh, thank you, Angelmouse. Oh dear.
Oh, my thingamajig.
You're an angel, Angelmouse.
That's my friend, Angelmouse.
Angelmouse.